Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to reset keyboard settings to default in Windows 11. So guys, just you have to follow this setting. In right and left both side, hold shift plus control plus alt. Together you have to press hold shift plus control plus alt. So this will reset your keyboard and mouse settings. So this is the easy and quick way to reset keyboard or mouse settings to default. Just hold both side right and left. Firstly, in left side, press and hold shift control alt, and then in right side, press and hold shift plus control plus alt and restart. Hopefully it will resolve some common problems and it will reset mouse and keyboard settings. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.